An increasing number of companies selling their goods and services online. Affiliate marketing now allows regular people to start home-based businesses and achieve a passive income by promoting and selling these companies' products or services. However, most affiliate marketers give up before they reach financial freedom because they expect huge profits immediately. Maybe more importantly, they don't learn the right steps to success. In this video, you will learn 8 proven and tested steps to become a successful affiliate marketer, including how to get started. In order to be successful in affiliate marketing, it's important to have a good idea of how to create and maintain a website, how search engine optimization works, how social media and social media marketing works. Staying up to date on all of these topics is absolutely key to ensuring that your new affiliate marketing business venture doesn't end up in failure. The good news is, if you're willing to learn as you go, you will be able to overcome common hurdles. But keep in mind that success does not come overnight. One most important step in affiliate marketing is choosing what products to promote. Choosing profitable affiliate products is one of the most important steps for your business. You will likely fail if you promote affiliate products that you have little interest in or know little about. First, know the niches that you want to work in. Then know the reputable affiliate programs that you sign up to. Within your chosen affiliate programs, select the products that you know most about. If you love them, then promoting them is even easier. Don't think that promoting cheap products is your best option as a new affiliate marketer. For example, promoting a $20 product takes 20 sales in order to get the same commission for selling a $400 product. Once you choose the product to promote, it's time to set up your website and social media accounts. Your website domain name and social media account should be easy to remember, pronounce, and spell. They should also reflect the niche that you are in, which is good for search engine optimization. For top-level domains, Fiverr.com. For websites, you can find hosting for as cheap as $3.95 US with Bluehost with a free domain name your first time. If you're beginning and have little to moderate traffic, go for shared hosting. If you can, hire a professional as they know the designs and setups for affiliate marketing and SEO. You should also hire a professional on Fiverr to set up your social media accounts for effective SEO. After getting set up, it's time to set up and optimize your ads. Most affiliate programs will provide you with pre-designed and pre-approved ads to use on your website. These are usually easy to place directly on your site using HTML code into your site code. These usually include banner ads, pop-up ads, text ads, and more. However, simply placing ads on your site is not enough for effective promotion. The more information about the product or service and brand a customer has, the more they will tend to buy. Compelling and interesting product descriptions for your affiliate items will boost your sales, especially if you dedicate a web page for each of your products. This is good for search engine optimization. Optimizing your website and social media pages is essential in order to succeed as an affiliate marketer. This allows your content to show up as high as possible in Google search results related to your niches. Your search engine optimization should include on-page and off-page SEO. Your off-page SEO has mainly to do with building links from big, reputable websites to your website to make Google rank your site higher. You can build valuable, authentic links through guest posting on big, relevant, and reputable websites. Your on-page SEO means regularly publishing high-quality content that targets keywords related to your product. It also means making your site user-friendly, fast-loading, and mobile-friendly. However, even with the right SEO, it takes a while before your site reaches the top of Google search results. Video marketing, social media marketing, and email marketing are best ways to promote your site. With video marketing on YouTube, you can successfully promote your products with informative and engaging video reviews and put a link to your affiliate website in the video description. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. have billions of users. That's why it's essential that you have a presence on social media to massively increase your audience and engage with them through comment sections and direct messages. Email marketing is another great way to promote your affiliate site or products directly. Write catchy subject lines and well thought out emails. Don't spam, etc. Promotion through social media and the like allows you to be recognized and build a brand. Building your brand allows you to build up your own client base and be recognized, which allows you to sell many affiliate products and make money. Your brand isn't just your logo, it's the qualities and values of your business, the experience you want your customers to have, and the type of customers you want to engage with. Design and create your brand so that through your site or social media, it is attractive, interesting, etc. to your target audience. Before you can achieve a successful brand name, you need to research your target audience, their values, what they can easily relate to, etc. It's essential that you be consistent across your promotion channels, websites, social media, etc. Once you build a brand, keep at it. Although affiliate marketing is a true source of passive income, it does take a lot of time and effort before you can sit back and relax while money rolls in. This initial investment in money, but especially time and effort, is usually what differentiates successful affiliates from the failing ones. Continuous commitment to learning about affiliate marketing and implementing good practices usually discourage many aspirant affiliates. You need to continuously research your target audience, your type of affiliate products, promotion channels, etc. You need to continuously maintain your website and social media. You need to stay up to date on trends in your niche, the internet constant changes in social media, SEO, etc. Once you're earning enough, you can pay others to maintain your website and social media and everything in between. Thanks for watching.